If you've ever tried soldering tiny components, while everything keeps moving, you know how frustrating that can be. Today, I'm checking out this Helping Hands Soldering Station with magnetic PCB holders, designed to give you a stable third hand. Let's see if it actually makes soldering easier, or just adds more clutter to your bench. Inside, you get two adjustable clip arms, magnetic mounts, and a base. It feels modern and sturdier than old-school alligator clip stands, which always feel flimsy and hard to position. The base is weighty, with a rubber bottom, ensuring it won't slide around while you are working. The two clips are about 4 inches long, with magnetic mounts and rubberized covers. This small detail is a nice design, as it ensures the clips will not bite into your PCB traces or pinch your wire insulation. They open and close relatively easily, but have a strong enough grip to hold items securely. The magnets fasten solidly to the base, and the flexible gooseneck arms allow for precise positioning. Next up are the 1-inch parallel jaws. Similar to the alligator clips, there are 2 included in the kit. While some reviewers would have liked a few more clips or jaws, the base is only a 4-inch square, so while it would have always been nice to have more, we felt 2 of each was about right. The 1-push spring allows you to open and close the jaw easily, and they are designed to grip components with even, flat pressure across the entire surface. With magnets on 2 sides, you can stick these to the base either vertically or horizontally. When the parallel jaws clamp a PCB, wire, or small part, the jaws stay aligned and apply uniform force, which helps prevent slipping, bending, or surface damage. Now, let's go ahead and do a quick soldering task using the clips, while we answer the remaining most asked questions. First, the magnets are strong enough to hold the arms securely in place, while still allowing for quick repositioning. Second, the weighted base keeps things quite stable for small to medium electronics work, but due to its size, it's best suited for precision work rather than heavy-duty tasks. Third, it works well for both wires and circuit boards. Fourth, the springs are a bit tight, but loosen up a bit after use. That being said, use care when adjusting for fragile parts. So sometimes, especially on softer materials or coated surfaces, the clips might leave marks. If that's a concern, adding heat-resistant tape or small pads will solve the issue. We did get this unit for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.